In this video, we are going to show you how to make a video call in a WhatsApp group. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. Update your WhatsApp to the latest version. Now launch it and select the group that you want to start a video call with. Make sure the selected group has 4 or less people in it. Since WhatsApp only supports 4 or less people in a video call as of now, tap on the video call icon and wait for them to accept the call. That's it guys, this is how you can make a video call in a WhatsApp group. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV, for more videos like this.